Meet the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, the long-haul jet that's redefining modern air travel. Built with 50% composite materials, it's lighter, stronger, and more fuel-efficient, cutting fuel use by up to 20% compared to older jets. Inside, it's all about comfort. Higher cabin pressure, larger windows, and LED mood lighting help reduce jet lag and enhance the flying experience. The Dreamliner comes in 3 models: 787-8, 787-9, and 787-10, with ranges up to 7,530 nautical miles, connecting cities non-stop like never before. It can carry 242 to 330 passengers, depending on the model and layout, perfect for both international airlines and premium travelers. Fact: it's one of the quietest wide-body jets ever built. That means less noise on takeoff, landing, and inside the cabin. Over 1,000 Dreamliners have already been delivered, flying for top airlines like Qatar Airways, ANA, United, and more. The verdict? Sleek, smart, and sustainable. The Boeing 787 isn't just a plane, it's the future of flying.